A very warm good morning to all of you. Today, we are going to understand chapter number 8 of our life skill, that is Unity in Diversity. Before proceeding with the chapter, let us know the meaning of unity in diversity. This word is framed with three words: unity plus in plus diversity. Diversity means variety of groups and cultures, variety of races, religions, caste, and cultures. Unity means integration. It means having sense of oneness, sense of togetherness. And unity in diversity is a way of uniting all the cultures and societies together as a whole in understanding and appreciation for each other. We all are different from one another because God has created every human as unique, and we must respect the uniqueness of other person. Either it is in a form of religion, caste, or culture. We must not differentiate one another on basis of color or creed, etc. It is our responsibility to be unite in diversity. Now, let us see one video for more clarification of the meaning.
Chini, Friday is a holiday. It's 26th January, na? We'll have lots of fun, huh?
No, Golu. I will sleep till late.
No, friends. We will go early and play.
Friends, why are you saying this? We have to hoist our flag in the society tomorrow.
Yes, I completely forgot. And after that, the laddus we get are really delicious.
Kids, shall I ask you a question? Is 26th January only to have fun and to hoist the flag?
Yes, Uncle. We have a holiday, na?
Yes, son, that day is a holiday. But do you know why we celebrate 26th of January?
Yes, Uncle. I know. Our constitution was framed on this day.
Uncle, what does that mean?
It means that rules and regulations were made so that everybody should live together in peace and everybody should progress. Like nobody should harm or disturb anybody. Everybody should work honestly. Everybody should get work. And nobody should go hungry. Understand?
Uncle, we friends are always together and we help each other because we know that unity is power.
So, with the help of video, we came to know that unity is the power. We celebrate different festivals. Either it is Eid, Raksha Bandhan, Christmas, Baisakhi, etc. And these festivals bring oneness among us. They make us realize that even we are different from one another, but still we are together. Nowadays, people live in communities and societies. These societies include people of different caste, creed, and culture. They eat together, they play together, and they also celebrate festivals together. Because we all are Indians, right? India is the best example of unity in diversity. You know, India has 28 states, 8 union territories, total population of 121 crore approx. Total 23 official languages out of 415. So many different religion, like Hinduism, Islam, Sikhs, Jainism, Christians, etc. We have different people of different color. But at last, we are Indians. And being as Indian, we all are united. Right? A rainbow is beautiful, not because it has different colors. It is beautiful because those different colors shine together. Right? If any one color will come up in the sky, that will not look as beautiful as rainbow. They don't go away from each other. They don't boast their supremacy. They don't try to overwhelm each other. They complement each other to create beauty through the gloomy sky. That's the power and the magic of unity in diversity. So, it is not about inferior or superior. It is not about who is better and who is not. It is about living together with harmony, with the feeling of oneness, with togetherness, and with a team spirit. That's what makes our India so special. And being as a citizen of India, it is our responsibility to respect that diversity. Now I would like to narrate one story of Gokul Dham. You all must be aware of Gokul Dham, right? We all know about this society. So here is one story for you. Listen carefully. There was a society named Gokul Dham Society. All the people of the society followed different caste, customs and tradition. It was perfect example of unity in diversity. One day, there was a short circuit in the meter of the society and children were playing nearby. During that time, there was sudden hustle bustle in the society. People of the society started saving their known ones. But there was one man whose name was Mr. Sinha. He tried to save the children of every caste, creed, and religion. He did not differentiate. So, all the people of society got united to save children, irrespective of their caste, creed, and religion. They showcase their unity in diversity. Now, we all are different, which is great because we all are unique. Without diversity, life would be very boring, right? If I ask you to eat one kind of food daily, then after certain point of time, you will get bored and you want something different. So, it is great that there are so many types of people around us that make us feel special and make our day adventurous. Here are certain benefits of unity in diversity. It increases our strengths, right? Because we all are together, so no other person can harm us. It also brings national integration. As I told you, even if we belong to different caste, different creed, different religion, but at last we are Indians and we can do anything for our country. There is peaceful environment if we are united, if we are cooperating with each other, if we are coordinating with others, then it will create peaceful environment. And it is a source of tourism. Many people come to India to see different culture of India, either in form of temples, either in form of monuments, or any other form. Also, as many as brains we have, the more ideas we will get. So it also enhances the creativity of the country and take the country to extreme high level. So I hope you must have understood what is unity in diversity and how it helps us to be a strong country. Thank you.